How to check who unfollowed you on Instagram? Follow this guide. To begin, open the Instagram app on your device and make sure you are logged into your account. Then click on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Now tap on the hamburger icon at the top right. Here select the account center at the top. Once inside, choose your information and permission. Now select download your information to begin the process. From here, tap on download or transfer information. Afterward, choose some of your information. At this point, scroll down and only select the box next to followers and following. Then tap next. Then select download to device as your preferred method. Moreover, choose your date range, your file format, and your media quality. Once everything is set, hit create file to submit your download request. Once the file has been created, hit download. Finally, your file will be saved to your device. You can open the file and view all your followers who unfollowed you. So this is how to check people who unfollowed you on Instagram.